How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Today guys I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here as you can see, we'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. Now when you found Spotify, go and click on storage, then click on clear data and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.